We got a special video planned for you today. We're in the Cocochino National Forest. Look at this view overlooking Sedona. Got in late last night and now we're gonna head to the Overland Expo to check out the latest and greatest gear, gadgets, gizmos, and rigs in the world of overlanding. Day one, Overland Expo. We are in the Cocochino National Forest. Got some goodies on Chronos here that I'll talk about in a second, but we got an awesome little camp set up. People from all around this great country, also known as Southern California. But you got to check out this view. We got in late last night. It was a long day. Went and picked up a Sprinter van from Tommy Camper Vans. This is nuts. Let me step up. Very plush mattress here. And what else are we working with? We got the Dometic fridge.
Dometic fridge, overhead cabinets, puck lights lit underneath and on the ceiling.
That's going to be the next sweepstakes rig that is nuts. But one thing that I love, last night we had no idea. One of our buddies dropped a pin and we just had to figure out how to get there. Got lost a couple times, but we made it, and this is what you wake up to. Just awesome views. The first Chronos. Da, da, da. So take a look at the iCamper. I just took the awning out because I'm about to put it up, but the space is crazy. I have all the bedding right there. It's all gonna fold up, plus really spacious, super insulated, and see if I could might be able to close it with one hand. No, I definitely can't. I might need Jeremy to film me. There we go. Smell of victory. That's pretty sweet. So that's with 2 pillows, a sleeping bag, the mattress, all of it tucked away, and took a couple minutes because I had to squeeze it and figure it out. That was my first time ever shutting it down with everything in it. And it's locked, secure. Let's go, let's hit the trail. So this epic camping area that we stayed at is accessed by a 26-mile long dirt road named the Woody Mountain Road, and it takes around an hour and a half to get there, depending on how fast you're driving. I wouldn't recommend any low clearance vehicles. You definitely don't need 4x4 as the road is pretty well maintained, but there's a couple spots that you got to get over some roots and rocks depending on which campsite you're going to. I would definitely camp here during midweek. In the summer it could get really busy, so if you are going to go on a weekend or holiday weekend, make sure that you get there really early. But you're going to be rewarded with some awesome mountain meadow views, tons of trees, and way cooler weather than what's going on in the Phoenix Valley area. We have landed. It's late on a Friday afternoon, about 4:45, 5 o'clock. The number of overland rigs here is mind-boggling. There's some really cool builds that we're gonna try and get as many as we can. We just don't have enough time, but it is what it is. Well, the biggest question that we had is, should we camp here or just camp somewhere else and come in for the day? I don't know, the verdict's still out on that. It is nice being on site, but it's a bit of a walk. I think we should have definitely brought an electric bike or something like that.
Electric scooter?
Electric scooter? Yeah. We're only gonna be here today and tomorrow morning, so we gotta get it all in as quickly as we can. Overland Expo 2022?
2022.
22. It's a wind, the wind just died down. Almost blowing my hat off. Camping and wind might be the worst possible thing ever. You just can't get away from it. Your tent is flapping all over the place. Not fun. This is where you go if you want to have some fun and want to see what's going on in the world of overlanding. And I see a face that I know very well, an absolute legend in the world of overlanding.
What's up?
I liked you better with your beard. Why'd you change it? Why'd you make him do that?
I didn't do it. I told him I wanted the beard.
Sorry to spike on you on that. I saw it.
I'm excited to see you, and yeah, check it out. What do you think? What do you think? Last time you guys saw this,
it was a flip-flop.
It was a little different. It was
cut to footage on Bulldog Canyon with the Bronco stock form, and that was like a year ago.
Yeah,
it was literally a year ago.
What a year. Dude, you guys ever seen a Jeep Gladiator with mailboxes as underbed storage?
It's a flip-flop.
What's up, man? How you doing?
I know. But
mini
I've been
rigs.
following you guys. If you guys don't know, Phil, Down to Mob Overland, he built this with, remind me, it was
So it's a Bison Overland camper.
Bison Overland
Nichols Auto Fab. The rear bumper is not done yet, but he just whipped that out. The aluminum frame was built last September in Arizona, and most of the camper. It's been a crazy project, man. Yeah.
He's still got to completely deck out this inside.
Well,
or is it done?
It's done, and we just need to add the kitchen. But this is literally final form as far as the dinette. So this piece of wood right here.
This looks better than one of the last videos that you had.
Yeah, this piece of wood right here will flip up on the wall, and then when the table pushes down, all that makes the bed. Plenty big. And then we've had 6 people in here multiple times today.
Nice.
And I'm loving it.
All right, here's my promise to everyone watching right now. When we get to 100,000 members, we will give away an Earthroamer. You heard me right. 100,000 members, we will get a Earthroamer on the books. I have been drooling over these for so long. In person, they are even more ridiculous. This is the ultimate bug out rig. It is $250,000 to $500,000 depending on the year, make, and model. It is nuts. All right, day one's coming to a close. The number of vendors is crazy. You could for sure spend 3 full days talking to people, learning everything that you want to learn about the world of overlanding, camping, even motorcycle camping. So it's pretty awesome. First time being here. It's grown year over year exponentially, especially with the pandemic. So it's not a huge shock once people learn how awesome it is to throw a rooftop tent and a full kitchen and everything and just go into the great unknown and wilderness. Good morning, Forge Nation. It is Saturday of Overland Expo. We just packed up camp. Really easy to set up and take down that iCamper. It's a little dirty, but that's how you know it's been used. We're gonna go to the show and check out some stuff. We went for a little bit yesterday afternoon, got in late, was shooting some content and some other stuff with our boy Kronos here. But now is the time to go see what's going on. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Scapping. You got the frunk area here, ton of storage. There's definitely some really cool things coming out of Rivian. I like the idea of it for off-roading vehicle. If you have range anxiety, that's probably the biggest downside, but there's so many different pluses from it. Big fan of the Pandos. This is the 2.0 right here by Off Grid Trailers. We'll go say what up to them. Love the size of them. Those things are super dope. Sweet little Rubicon teardrop trailer setup. That looks homemade right there. I mean, just walking around, even in the camping area, is pretty sweet because you get so many different ideas. Like, that's space age camper back there. So let's start with this guy. What do we got? What are we working with here?
Okay, so this is the Armadillo X. This is our newest guy. So both of these are new. This is an ABS shell. It runs an X frame, so you can see it's got this big window.
Memory foam?
No, it's actually called rebound foam.
Rebound foam.
Rebound foam.
The space age one over there.
That
one's cool too. Yeah, the size of this is pretty good too. That's bigger than a full-size bed, right? Or about a full size?
It's 56 inches wide, 78 inches long. So it's pretty close. It's a little bit longer than a full size.
Yeah.
Yep.
Great for Wranglers, small trucks, anything to fit in the back.
Taco. So the overall is 62 inches on the outside platform. Yep. So that's ZR2, Taco, Gladiator, most of your short bed trucks.
Yeah.
And if you want to mid-height mount it, this is perfect.
Perfect.
Yep.
I love that.
Yep.
What is which one is model?
So this is the Pando 2.0.
Nice.
It gives you the classic teardrop shape. You get the kitchen in the back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The kitchen in the back this is something that I've always really liked. A little Dometic right here. Is there another fridge?
Yeah, so this fridge is standard, and then you can get an optional fridge up front. Again, 35, 55, or 69 liter.
And how much power do you guys normally, as far as like battery
So
power?
it comes with two 12-volt batteries, 80 amp hours each.
Yeah.
And you can,
and people, I'm sure, deck it out with solar. Is there solar
Yeah,
on
they're
this
solar prepped.
Yeah.
They all come solar prepped. So yeah, you plug a panel in and you're good to go.
Oh, that's awesome. All right, that's it for me at Overland Expo. Super awesome experience. If you are anywhere in the world, it is the largest overlanding event I've ever seen. So many rigs, so much cool stuff that will be coming here for years to come. But we're so close to Sedona that we might as well just take a little stop on Broken Arrow and let that Jeep crawl some rocks and have some fun. Whew, that is refreshing. That is refreshing. That is nice. Until next time, make sure to check out the Overland Expo. Gator to win whatever our current sweepstakes rig is right now. Jeep Wrangler or Jeep Gladiator that we poke around. I can't think. It is freezing. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Let's get it.